Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to record your computer screen using the OBS Studio. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is go to your web browser, and then from here you got scene and then sources, and then what you want to do is add a display capture to your sources, and then go to this plus sign right here, and then go ahead and click on it, and then this small screen will pop up, and then you should see display capture. So go ahead and click on display capture. Alright, now after that it's going to ask you what name you want it to be. So after that, go ahead and hit OK, and then it's going to ask you what monitor you want it to be on your for your computer screen to record. So for me, I got two different ones, so I'm going to use this one right here. This is my main monitor screen, so I'm going to choose that one. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and hit OK. So after you finish hitting OK, display capture screen there, so your recording screen should be automatically opened up, as you can see mine here on the screen. So you should be good to go on how to record your computer screen with OBS Studio. I guess that's all I'm going to show you today about this video about how to record your computer screen with the OBS Studio. And if you have any more questions about this video, please leave them down below, and I just want to say thank you for watching. And please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And now it is time for me to go play some video games. And I'll see ya later.